In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin to your Cash App account. Whether you're sending Bitcoin from another wallet or receiving it from someone else, the process is simple once you have your Cash App Bitcoin address. So, in order to get started, open Cash App on your device, go to the home screen, and go to the Bitcoin section. Now, from there, tap Deposit Bitcoin or Receive Bitcoin to review your Bitcoin wallet details. Now you will see your Bitcoin wallet address along with a QR code. So, if you're transferring Bitcoin to yourself, you will first need to open another Bitcoin wallet that already holds Bitcoin. Then, from that wallet, choose the Send option and copy and paste your Cash App Bitcoin address into the recipient field. Alternatively, if someone else is sending you Bitcoin, simply share your Cash App Bitcoin address or QR code with them so that they can send the funds directly to your wallet. After that, choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Then, after entering the wallet address, review the details and confirm the transfer. Once the transaction is confirmed, wait for the network to process it. After that, the Bitcoin will appear in your Cash App balance, where you can hold, sell, or send it to another wallet. You just have to make sure that sending a different cryptocurrency to your Cash App Bitcoin address may result in your funds being permanently lost. So, always double check the type of cryptocurrency being sent. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.